How to create ShareAsale account without a website. Okay guys, so do not skip any part of this video because I'm going to show you step by step, and the step that I'm going to show you is tricky, so stay with me and do not skip any part of the video. Watch from start to finish, and I'm going to show you the step by step process how you can create ShareAsale account without a website. So without wasting much of your time, my name is Richmond and you're welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel I teach people how to make money online, affiliate marketing, drop shipping and drop servicing, CPA marketing, anything related to making money online. So if you are new to this channel, can you subscribe? And the video that I'm talking about, I have first one, that was part 1, and that was using a website. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create ShareAsale account without a website. So without further ado, let's dive into today's strategy. So first of all you need to do is to type in the domain name www.shareasale.com, and before that go to a section where it says sign up, and because we are affiliate, we want to make money online, sign up as an affiliate, and it's going to load the dashboard for you to type in your details without any hassle. Okay, so if you type in the right domain name, which is shareasale.com, you're going to end up on a dashboard like this. So all you need to do is to choose your username. So I'm going to type in any random username that we are going to use to create this account. So right after choosing your username, all you need to do is to type in your password. So you're going to create a strong password. So right after choosing your username, you type in your password and choose your country. So right after doing that, you hit on next, and it's going to take you to the next stage of this video. So let's wait for it to do. So without it, while it's loading, take this advantage to like the video, subscribe to the channel as well, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like what you're watching right now, YouTube will send you a notification instantly, guys. So right, you can see that it's loading the interface for us to sign up to complete our details. Okay, so when it happens like this, all you need to do is to log in into the account that you try to create. So I'll log into the account that I decided to create. So I'll log in, and it will take me straight to the dashboard where I'll complete the details and I'll get my account being created. Okay, so as you can see over here where it says publishers website, all you need to do is to go to a platform called youtube.com, and this is where the magic comes in. So I will load the youtube.com, and whilst it's loading, take this advantage to like the video, comment down below your questions. I'll be there to answer you right after I receive your comment. So on the YouTube dashboard, all you need to do is to search for your niche. So let's take it that you are in the health niche, all you need to do is to type in whether weight loss or anything that you wish you can type, or all you need to do is to search for your niche. So we are in the make money online, so I'll type in make money online. So I'll search for that, and what you're going to do here is very simple, you guys. So if you like what I'm showing you, comment down below all your questions. I'll be there to answer you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. So what we're about to do is that we go to where it says filter, and filter by channel, and by channel that means it's going to list all the channels that we are in the niche of make money online. So what we are going to do is we are going to open up one of the channels that we wish we are going to use over here. So okay, let's go to the bottom side. Okay, so go to the bottom side and choose any niche that you. So at this point, all you need to do is to copy the URL of this website, this YouTube channel, and go back to ShareAsale account and paste that over there. So we are going to copy that, and okay, so right after copying, all you need to do is you can close it and go back to your ShareAsale sign up account. All you need to do is to paste this URL over here where it says website and paste it over here, and come to the bottom side where it says website language. You can choose the language over here where it says English. Do your website contain adult content? Select no. Okay, so do you utilize sponsorship listing per click engines? No. Utilize coupons and promotional? No. Add-on toolbar and downloadable applications? No. Are you advertising on advertising network or affiliate network? No. Do you have network of publishers which will deliver you ads? Yes. And do you display advertisement on site that you don't own? Yes. So right after this, hit on to step number 3 and your account is going to be created by ShareAsale. So let's move on to step number 3. So guys, don't forget to like the video as well, comment down your questions, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon. Yes. So where it says email, you type in your email address. Like, okay, so I'll type in my email address. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is my email address I've typed over here, and I'll hit on step 4 to move to the next section of this video. So let's move on to the step number 4. And okay, so this is the point where we are going to type in our details for our account. So you type in your first name, last name, and organization, anything, phone number, address, line, anything that you wish, you can type in over here. You need to type in that over here. So okay, and so right after confirmation, I'll maybe give this account to anybody. Okay, so the promotional one is your username, so your phone number, type in any random phone number over here. So any phone number that is valid, yes, you need to type it over here. Address, line, Ghana, Accra, and address line number 2, Doma, Ainkru, and city, Accra as our city, and state or province is the same as Accra. Zip code is the zip code for Ghana is 00233, and you can see the countries it has been selected over here. So this support pin over here. So right, all you need to do is type in something sensible to them over here where it says program description. So it says not less than 240. Right after typing that, you're going to hit my site operates incentives program. It says unsure, or you can select no over here, and yes. Do you own the domain https? No. It says I don't own the domain because youtube.com is not your website. Yes, it's just you are hosting your data over here, so it's not your website. So all you need to do is to select no, I don't own the domain, and no. So right after doing that, you hit on step 5 and your account is going to be created. So this, guys, okay, let me finish this video for you guys. So right after providing everything that they need from you, all you need to do is to hit on step 5, and with step 5, that means our account is going to be created by ShareAsale. So let's wait for you to load and see the dashboard of the next step. So now they are asking of your paycheck, how you're going to receive your payment, and I would suggest you choose later, because you're not going to maybe you change your mind in the nearby future. So all you need to do is to hit on choose later, and then complete sign up. So right after hitting on complete sign up, they are going to give you a message like what you're about to see right now on my dashboard. So with this, you must agree to the terms of service of ShareAsale, because whether you like it or not, you must agree to get your account verified. So right now, all you need to do is to scroll from the top to the bottom of this, and right after doing that, you're gonna hit on what it says I agree to the above, and I verify that the information provided is accurate. So right after doing that, all you need to do is to hit on what says complete sign up, and when you hit on complete sign up, what you're going to see is the message that you're about to see on my dashboard right now. So guys, this is how we create an account on ShareAsale. So without wasting much of your time, kindly subscribe to the channel as well. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and you see we have sent an email to address, and we need to follow an instruction, and once your email is completed, you will review your application within the next 5 business days. And please note that the information and the time frame does not typically include weekends and holidays. When your application has been approved, you will notified again and email. Please make sure to follow the instructions sent to your email address. So this is the email address that you need to log in and then receive application GH. So you can hit on recent confirmation email, or right after doing that, all you need to do is to head on straight to your Gmail account and verify your email, and right after doing that, your account is definitely going to be approved by ShareAsale. So guys, this is how you create an account on ShareAsale without using any website. Yes, without website, you can create an account on ShareAsale, guys. So right now, all I need from you is that subscribe to Online Access Academy. Comment down below your questions. I'll be there to answer you one after the other. And don't forget that until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and see my next video. Stay safe.